interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you a special report from WBAD News. Hurricane Strang has just been sighted off the coast of the Hudson River. Since its materialization, this entity is responsible for the literal erosion of various sites in the East Coast. Though forewarned, niggas wasn't ready. Absurd amounts of shorties with reports of eradicated backdoors are coming in from sites varying from DC to downtown Brooklyn, seeming to harness the power it obtains from each chaotic occurrence. It now threatens to spark utter chaos along the Western Hemisphere.
I'm ducked down staff even when I'm by myself. I'm boot camp click even when I'm by myself. I'm Fat Five even when I'm by myself. I'm OGC even when I'm by myself. Stone. Hang that ass up like a poster. Got niggas out in Genosha who be screaming at Skoshka.
They don't know ya, so I can't see why they wanna start ya.
It's a shame Strain got more aim than the archer. MP Rock, please prepare my ship for departure. Beat these young boys' ass and make them run and get they father. Niggas get dropped from the hip-hop culture. It's the Ultra MC, fly like a vulture. 1, 2, I come through on the humble. Beast from the east, call me king of the jungle. Beast from the east, beast from the east. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. When I roll like a grizzly, they say, damn, he gets busy. I be grand like Pooh Bah when I move smooth with Drew High. Puts the B in booyah. The rain coming to do ya. Scream, hallelujah, but it still won't help ya. Run from OGC and get caught by Helter Skelter. Jet to the other side, run for cover high. Niggas still wouldn't be safe even if I let them slide. But this ain't baseball, I waste y'all. Ask no question. Get attacked from the back by the Blacksmith and Wesson. I be rubbishing any crew that claims that they be bubbling. Get that ass capped like them niggas when they handling my publishing. I be loving when fake rappers question my status when my crew be the fattest at this. And you could ask my man the big kahuna. Kaplow now make you say yow like Junior.
You been warned.
The storm's in the atmosphere. Move over, make room, gun clap was here. Cause it's ill how I kick lyrical skills with the force. No joke when I leave you choking off of the exhaust. Of course. Who else could it be but Mr. Strangle? Hit that ass from every angle, they don't really wanna tangle. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. The original icon, rumba starring Wonder.
Continuing on this destructive path, Hurricane Strang has just been labeled as the cause of the severe tree shortage in and around the tri-state area. It's just getting hotter. Citizens are advised to renounce all fraudulent policing practices if they hope to survive the storm.
Hey yo, Staran.
What's up, son?
Hey yo, you should let them know exactly why you be number one. I don't think they understand.
First of all, the rain comes first and foremost. My first instinct would be to burn y'all whack raps like toast. Fuck the first day of school. I'm on First Ave at the First National Bank so I can fly first class. Ask about it, and I'll be the first in line. Crack that ass before I even get to kick my first rhyme. I'm in the hall like Aaron, puffin' L's all day. My first commandment's to keep the fat broads away. Fresh fly, OGC be the best buy. Puff lie with my nigga Tech out in Bed-Stuy. Then I come through with the wickedness. Who be kicking this? The ring, I light shit up like Christmas. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Strain coming like a hurricane, licking shots. Gun clapper number one with my niggas OGC.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Strang, damage reports are staggering. Billions of injuries and widespread cases of amnesia and nausea, though accompanied by feelings of enlightenment, conditions of a cold red danger. Repeat, a cold